The Presidential Election Petition Court will on the 6th of September deliver judgment on the petitions filed by the People's Democratic Party, Labour Party and the Allied People's Party challenging the outcome of the 2023 presidential election. Registrar of the Court of Appeal, Umar Bangari, confirmed this development in a telephone conversation with TVCNEWS. The Labour Party, PDP and APM, had petitioned the tribunal seeking to nullify the election of President Bola Tinubu as the winner of the 2023 presidential election. Judgment is also expected to be delivered by election tribunals in 25 states for governorship, National Assembly, and State Assembly election petitions. Celestina Area has been covering this story for the past 6 months. She joins me live from Abuja. Earlier on during the tribunal, some petitions were dropped. Celestina, walk us through what the main contention is awaiting judgment on Wednesday.
Well, Nifemi, I really can't hear you, but the Election Petitions Court, sitting at the Court of Appeal in Abuja, has fixed 6th September to deliver judgment in the petition filed by the People's Democratic Party, the Labour Party, and the Allied People's Movement. All these petitions were issues that arose from the presidential election that was conducted in February, and the petitioners had different issues canvassed before the court. But similarly, some of the applications were similar. Has to do some. The Labour Party and the PDP brought about the issue of placeholder, that the president erred in law for him to have assigned a placeholder in the position of the vice president before eventually picking Kashim Shettima as his vice president. That issue is the main issue of the Allied People's Movement, particularly their only issue. But the PDP also factored that in their petition, as well as the Labour Party. But there were various issues, various applications before the court. The pre-hearing session commenced on May 8th, and on the 6th of September, which is on Wednesday, will make it 170 days, which the tribunal sat and delivered judgment on Wednesday. We know by the Electoral Act it says 180 days, so the tribunal is well on time, and this is not the final stop for the petition. The outcome, any aggrieved party has the opportunity to take it further to the Supreme Court. So it's a 5-member panel held by Justice Haruna Samani and other justices of the Appellate Court, I beg your pardon, and each of the justices have the opportunity to read their judgments. Yes, it can be unanimous, it can be dissenting, whichever way they have the opportunity to read their judgment. So, and also opportunity have been provided for media organizations that want to televise the proceedings live. We recall in 2019 this was also done, where the court reached out to media organizations, giving them a free way to say, if you want to come televise the proceedings, you are free to do so. So that is what is going to happen on Wednesday. Accreditation has been done for media personnel, and also the court registrar in a press statement that was released has asked Nigerians not to crowd the court. Those that don't have any business in court should please stay at their various houses and watch the proceedings from their home.
Celestina Area live for us in Abuja. And now to Ogun State, where the government